Want the Goldwave EA for a lot less? Let's talk about how to get it cheaper. First, what it is. Goldwave is an AI-adaptive gold trading robot for MetaTrader 5. It trades XAUSD, gold, and nothing else. One position at a time. No grid, no martingale, no averaging down. Instead of reacting to fixed indicators, it reads market context and adapts. It's highly selective, out of the market most of the time. It only enters when conditions strongly favor a win. It even has a news filter that steps aside during high-impact events. And the live results are exceptional. On a verified IC Markets live signal, 329% growth over 29 weeks, a 97% win rate, a profit factor over 10, and just 15% maximum drawdown. It comes from a developer with over 16 years of real trading experience. With more than 40 reviews behind it, it's one of the most trusted gold robots out there. Now here's the part that matters. Buy Goldwave direct from the MQL5 marketplace, and you pay full price. Buy it through cheaper Forex, and you get the exact same EA for far less. Same official license, same developer, same automatic updates. The only difference is the price. How? We buy licenses in bulk and pass the savings straight on to you. That's genuine MQL5 access, never a cracked or modified copy. You can save up to 70%. Pay with crypto and you save an extra 20% on top. We'll even install it for you. It takes minutes. And you're covered. Full refund anytime before activation. Zero risk. Over 28,000 traders have bought from us since 2019. We're rated excellent on Trustpilot. So if you want Goldwave, get the genuine EA and keep the difference. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Trade responsibly. Past results don't guarantee future returns. Grab Goldwave cheaper at cheaper Forex today.